Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno12 FS, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find about device. Then let's enter the version section and keep tapping on the version number until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So now we can go back to the general settings and enter additional settings. Let's tap on it, and here scroll down to find developer options. All we have to do right now is to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system update, and tap on the switcher to activate it, to turn it on. From now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.